I had a call from someone about 10 days ago, and they were 53 years old, and they were worried about the market, and they wanted to get out. And I said, well, what's changed? I mean, did you lose your job or what? No, nothing's changed. Well, why do you want to get out? Because the market's going down. And I said, when do you need the money? Well, not probably until I'm 65 or 70. And I said, you're 53 years old. You have plenty of time for this to turn around.
Can watch it cycle a couple of
And you need to
times.
come in and fund your Roth IRA and buy on this discount that we have in this market. So it's just being able to hold people's hands, to help them with logic. But this fear that's out there is really unwarranted when it comes to the stock market, in my feeling. My gut and heart feeling, it's just unwarranted.